Bill, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome, brother. How are you? Thanks for being here today.
Oh, man, thank you for having us. So talk to us about the event, the things that have been going on, the people here.
All I can tell you is that people come in from all over the world who will learn about launch, grow, build a better business, power partnerships, connections, how to get some money for their business, and they've been loving it.
Well, I got to tell you, my friend, the connections that we've made here this week have blown my mind.
That's awesome. Well, we appreciate you guys being sponsors. Look forward to having more events as well.
Oh, you can count on that, my friend.
Let's go.
So, about to go on stage and talk to a whole bunch of business owners about getting them funding on their EIN. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Whole weekend long here.
Yeah.
Inspirational speakers, opportunities, people that are here to dream. And you know what? We're going to make some of those dreams come true today.
I agree 100%. We're going to be actually telling them that we can get them the funding they need in 90 days.
They don't even know.
They have no idea.
They don't even know about our conversation last night. I can't wait. We're going to blow their minds.
I know it.
Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
Country now speaking at events, both for social media, for the trades, for speakers, for entrepreneurs. This is my life now. It's pretty cool.
What do you think before you go on?
I'm always excited. I know I bring great value that can really help people grow, so this is really a big deal to me.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you. Jay, is that channel any good?
Yeah, my channel's excellent. It's like I teach people how to fix things around the house.